Oh, that's a great idea. Okay, what Mrs. Wall just asked me to do was to open the squelch on the radio. This is going to be loud, but we'd like you to hear this. This is when our radio is starting to receive the International Space Station. So could you go ahead and open the squelch? Now hopefully that squelch noise will be filled up with Don Pettit's voice. Thank you very much. And I think this is the hardest part, is waiting. Even though he's moving at 17,500 miles per hour, it still takes a little while. That looks like a pretty accurate track we have on the screen right now, out over the Pacific Ocean bend. And so the red circle around the icon representing the International Space Station is the footprint. We call that a footprint. If you were on board the station like Don Pettit is and you looked out the window, that's pretty much what he could see from one edge of that circle to the other edge of that circle. I think you've looked at some photographs maybe that he or other astronauts have taken from space. So you see the blue line that it's currently on, it's arcing up over the United States, so it's going to come up over, looks like Southern California. And where's St. Paul on that map? Right about there, right? So he's going to go almost directly above St. Paul. In fact, I believe the max elevation is going to be 84 degrees or 86 degrees. So if 90 degrees is straight up, boy, that's not very far off straight up, is it? So he's going to go right over from the west over the top of us, and he's going to exit the United States, actually North America, it looks like, over Canada. He can get from one side of that red ring to the other side of that red ring in about 10 minutes. Yes, he is moving. So we're going to ask our questions, and we're going to hope that we get everybody here an opportunity to have their question asked. We're at 4 minutes. Wonderful. We're going to actually start calling astronaut Pettit with 1 minute left to go. You can't quite see us that far away. Now, what do you think he's doing up there today? He's got his amateur radio turned on. He has it programmed on the right frequency. And he, too, is looking at a little chart telling him when he can start listening to Farnsworth Aerospace. From Dig or Carry. Okay, great. How many months of preparation have we put into this contact now? Yeah, really, it was just less than a week ago that we found out that it's going to be actually this particular orbit. Well, we're at 3 minutes, so may I ask the ARIS team to come up, please, and to stand in line, getting ready for our questions? See how excited they are? So I just want to remind everybody here in the audience that once we start making contact with the astronaut, would you please be nice and quiet? Don't stir around too much. We want to be sure that the microphone only picks up the question that our ARIS team has today, okay? All right. Remember, you're going to hear that very loud noise, that very loud squelch noise. Ah, look, you can just see into California now, it looks like. One minute. This is N9XH. We have our ARIS team made up of 5th, 6th, and 7th, 6th, 7th, and 8th. 6th, 7th, and 8th graders here today. We are 1 minute out, so we're going to go ahead and unsquelch the radio. NA1SS, NA1SS. This is November 9, X-Ray Hotel, N9XH. Over. NA1SS, NA1SS. This is November 9, X-Ray Hotel at the Farnsworth Aerospace School in St. Paul, Minnesota. Over. NA1SS, NA1SS from November 9, X-Ray Hotel. Over. NA1SS, NA1SS. This is November 9, X-Ray Hotel. November 9, X-Ray Hotel in St. Paul, Minnesota. Calling. Over. NA1SS from N9XH. Don, you want to try her one more time? Yeah, copy that, Don. You're loud and clear. This is N9XH. How us? NA1SS from N9XH. How copy, Don? NA1SS, NA1SS, November 9, X-Ray Hotel, calling. Over. NA1SS, NA1SS from November 9, X-Ray Hotel in St. Paul, Minnesota, calling. Over. NA1SS, NA1SS. This is November 9, X-Ray Hotel, calling on frequency. Over. NA1SS, NA1SS. This is November 9, X-Ray Hotel on C42. NA1SS, NA1SS. This is November 9, X-Ray Hotel. NA1SS, NA1SS, November 9, X-Ray Hotel. Do you copy, Don? Over. NA1SS, NA1SS, November 9, X-Ray Hotel. Over. NA1SS, NA1SS from November 9, X-Ray Hotel, over. NA1SS, NA1SS, November 9, X-Ray Hotel, over. NA1SS, NA1SS, November 9, X-Ray Hotel, over.
November 9,
We copied a little bit there, Don. NA1SS and N9XH. Try again, please, over.